Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher, here at Conservatory of the Ozarks.
That did not get shut down.
Woohoo! Yeah, true. We're still here and it's October, so who'da thunk? And this is my very talented voice student,
Kayla Modrow.
So, Kayla's going to be singing Part of That World, yeah, at the Halloween recital 2020. So, we're working on the moves for this, and I'm kind of adultifying some of them since Kayla's a little older than the girls in my other Little Mermaid tutorials, and she'll be holding a microphone in one hand, like so. So, we can start. You can do a lot of the same things just with one hand. So, I would go like this. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat?
Yeah.
And then you could switch hands. Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl? And this, I always think it's better to go like make a big circle and then bring it down in a big circle. So you can, when you're on a stage, you always want to like really exaggerate your moves so people can really see what you're doing. So, yeah. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? And then you could do the same thing again. Look at this trove, treasures untold, and then shrug hand, question hand. How many wonders can one cavern hold? And then you can put your hand down. Around here you think, and then just shrug. Sure. She's got everything. I really like the shrug. Sure. She's got everything. Yep. And then I usually have people do two hands for this, but since you only will have one, I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore, just with the same hand. And then you can put your fist. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. And now another. But who cares? Shrug. No big deal. No big deal. I want more. Yeah. This is the best song.
I know.
I had a Little Mermaid birthday party when I turned 10 from my mom, and it was the best birthday party. She bought me Little Mermaid streamers.
Wow.
And everything. It was great.
Cute.
So, the people are, if you're a mermaid, above you, because you're down in the ocean. So, I want to be where the people are. So, I think, it's so cute if you look up when you're singing, but you can't move, you can't have your head back.
With your
Yeah,
eyes.
just mainly your eyes. Longingly looking up, and you can just gesture with your hand. See 'em dancing, walking around on those. And so for the question, this is a little girlish.
You call them?
So if you wanted to do that, something else instead of that, you could be like, what do you call them?
What do you call them?
Oh, is it feet first? I think it's feet first.
Yes, feet.
And then you could point feet, and then flipping your fins, sad face, and you can do this. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down the. And I always like this for a question face.
What do you call them?
What do you call it? Yeah, like just touch your chin.
What do you call them?
And you should always, when you're trying to look like you're questioning, tilt your head to the side, and you can like look up. What do you call them? Oh, streets. And
All of this.
Well, you're in the water, so.
Up
where they walk, up where they talk,
Up where they talk. Up where they run.
Up where they play all day in the sun. I think. I don't remember for sure where we're at, because we don't have the book.
I don't know.
Do you think that's the right part? Up where they walk, up where they talk, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. And then here you take your hand and bring it down, but leave your eyes up. Free, wish I could be, like on your chest. Wish I could be part of that world. And then you can look at the people again. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? I have like this, but you could probably just skip that and just like look happy because you're thinking about these happy things you want to be experiencing. And then this part, what?
Didn't we already do that part? Oh,
no, not this part. So you should make like a scrunched up, like, scrunch it up for this part. Betcha on land, they understand, bet they don't reprimand their daughters. Because you know what that means?
Trouble.
Yeah. Right young women, sick of swimming. And then when you do this, take your one hand, can't really see this in the camera, put your hand down and at the same time, put your foot. Stand. So it's like you, so your feet, well, if your costume will let you, then you'll put your feet like apart so people can see. Stand.
This is like theater stuff.
Well, because it's from a play. So.
Yeah.
I always love to have voice students do musical theater pieces for the Halloween recital because then your costume can match your character from the play. So, and ready to know what the people know. Ask them my questions, and this is the move I love for this part. Get some answers. I love that. It's so cute, but you can't do it with a microphone. So, I don't know. I love that other move so much. It's hard for me to think of something else. I guess you can just do get some answers, like you're asking a question.
Get some answers. Fight.
Get some answers.
Like,
you could just do with your fist.
We can go
get some answers. The fist does seem more like intense.
You could just go
get some answers. And then this is my most favorite part.
What is it? What's the word?
Yeah, she's already watched the show. So, what's a fire and why does it? What's the word? And you've got to do a one-handed version of my favorite move ever. You put your hand up, you look up, you make a fist, and you're like, burn, and put it, hold it. But yeah. And then, love to explore the shore above, out of the sea. So make sure that for this part, you don't look up, because you look up for that part, but bring your eyes back to the wish. Wish I could be part of that. And then you look up, world. So you hold this for a long time. So after you hold like the first measure, keep your eyes up, but bring your hand down slowly while your voice keeps going. And then when you stop singing, bring the microphone down and look down at the ground with a sad face, because you're not part of that world. You're just a stupid mermaid stuck at the bottom of the ocean, and you will never have your prince, as far as you know right now.
Will never be as cool as
And then once you're down like this, sigh like this. You did watch the tutorial.
I did the sigh. Dad knows what to do, and I go, oh, just sighing with the tutorial.
And then after you sigh, you can be done with being in character, and you can smile and take your bow, and then stand all the way up. And look with your best mermaid pose. Yeah, look at the camera with your best mermaid pose.
I don't see.
Yeah. That's a cute move for under the water. We should work that in somehow, but I don't know where it could go.
Like this.
But it's just, it's like this seems like a happy song. I think people think of it as a happy song, but it's really a sad song.
It is.
Because it's like she's not happy with who she is. She wants to be someone else, and she can't have what she wants out of life. So I always am like, it's really pretty sad.
It is.
Anyways, 2 thumbs up for Little Mermaid and the Halloween recital, and also Kayla. Everybody have a great night. Bye-bye.
Bye.